Mama?
Yeah,
Eh?
you have.
This is one of the finest roads in Burundi. Several names come to mind. Cyril, our neighbors at Singirankaboz, the sun starts to peek over the horizon, casting a warm glow on the world below. Meet Yvonne, a curious traveler on her way to a hidden gem, a stunning waterfall tucked away in Gisozi, Mwaro. It's a place few have visited and even fewer have heard of. Join her as she sets out on this adventure, journeying from Bujumbura to the cascading waters. The road stretches out like a ribbon, showcasing the majestic mountains that cradle the region, whispering stories to anyone who will listen. This is one of the finest roads in Burundi, winding gracefully through the countryside and revealing breathtaking views of nature's beauty. From Nyakerera to Mwaro, every turn offers a glimpse into the heart of this enchanting land. Now in Mwaro, Yvonne crosses the river Gasumo. With each step, she moves closer to Gisozi, where nature's masterpiece awaits. Welcome to Kwasiri, a favorite spot where the mouth-watering aroma of grilled chicken fills the air. Here, locals and travelers gather to enjoy flavors that stay in their hearts.
Yeah.
In this peaceful landscape, Yvonne spots a herd of cows. It's been a while since she's seen them, and with a playful spirit, she borrows a stick from the keeper, pretending to be an ancient Burundian cow herder. She sings traditional songs like Ibichuba and Amazina Inka, echoing the memories of days gone by. As Yvonne approaches the waterfall, the sound of rushing water creates a beautiful melody, marking the peak of her journey. This is not just a destination, it's a connection to the land, its history, and its stories.
Gisozi ari Mwaro twagize ibihe byiza cyane twararabye ibibanza byiza byiratiyo nkuko mubibona abenshi bazi ko hariho agasumo ka Mwaro guso ariko hariho n'akandi gasumo kitwa Nyakerera arene niho turi twagize ibihe byiza hari imisozi myiza ibiti nukuri n'ahantu hateye igomwe cyane ni kibanza cyiza cyo kuruhukiramwo umuntu arabona ibyiza Imana yahaye Burundi.
This is Clovis, a local who grew up in this beautiful area. His eyes light up as he shares stories of those carefree moments, bringing the past to life in every world. We used to take cows on this river. We would roast sweet potatoes over a fire. We called this dish iminoga, but others referred to it as imisangira. He fondly recalls the good old days spent with friends. You saw the bridge? Beneath it was a swimming spot. Several names come to mind. Cyril, our neighbors at Singirankabo's, where we played in the water. I recall Silva's son, Claude. I remember Nzei's son, Odas. So many others like Laurent, and still remember Cesar. Parents today should take their children on vacations to the countryside, showing them how life was back then.